Hello, my name is Maria Miller from mathmammoth.com. In this lesson we're going to study through some volume-related problems. And I especially want to note the formula for finding the volume of a right prism and the formula for finding the volume of a cylinder. Both of them have the same formula for their volume, and that is that you multiply the area of the base times the height. It's very simple indeed. So what is a right prism then, you might ask? Here's one example. A right prism will have some kind of a polygon on the bottom. That's the base. So it could be a triangle here, or it could be a quadrilateral, it could be a pentagon, hexagon, any kind of polygon here on the bottom, and then the same exact polygon here on the top. Okay? And then these are joined together so that these faces here would be rectangles. And then a cylinder, you should know what it is. Here's an example of a cylinder. It is similar to a prism in the fact that it has a circle here as its base and the top, whereas prisms have a polygon. So to calculate the volume of this prism, we need to find the area of the bottom part, the area of this base. This time it's a triangle, so I marked in here the base and the height of the triangle. Let's first calculate the area of the base. Okay, being a triangle, then we calculate the base times height divided by 2, right? So we get 8 centimeters times 12 centimeters divided by 2, and this is then 48 square centimeters. Notice it is square centimeters because it is area. And now we take the volume of this whole thing, we take this times the height. It is 48 square centimeters times the height, 20 centimeters, and 2 times 48 would be 96, then the 0, and now the units for the volume would be cubic centimeters, right? It's volume, so we have to have cubic units in our answer, and this time cubic centimeters. You can also see it from here because we have square centimeters times centimeters. Square centimeter itself is centimeter times centimeter. So we have here centimeter times centimeter times centimeter, or centimeter multiplied by itself 3 times. So centimeter cubed, cubic centimeter. Here's a cylinder, so we do the same. We calculate first the area of the base. This time the base is a circle, so you use pi r squared. Remember? Pi r squared, or pi r squared as our area of the base. So what is r? The radius? Well, this here is not the radius, it's the diameter. The radius is half of that, 2.5 inches. That's squared. You would use a calculator for this. I calculated before the video and got 19.63495 square inches. Okay, notice it is now the area will be given in square units. And then the volume, you just take the area of the base, that number there, square inches, times the height. Of course, it doesn't look like height here, but you have to imagine that if this cylinder was standing upright, this would be the height, 12 inches. Okay. And we get 235.619. Now the unit here is cubic inches, which you want to round it to, let's say, 240 cubic inches. This is our answer.